Alexa, when were you born?
My birthday is November 6th, 2014.
So Alexa moved into our house about 11 years ago, and she's been a staple here in our home. We've got a smart home that's controlled by her. She's helped us track Santa Claus on Christmas Eve before my son moved out. We played so many games with Alexa. I've listened to podcasts. Listening to her voice over the past several years, I've just gotten so used to it. And I got a notification today that Alexa Plus is coming, and I asked to be notified when Alexa Plus can be rolled out. So it's going to happen really soon. And I kind of just wanted to capture what Alexa is like right now before the big change. So the new Alexa Plus is going to be way more intelligent. It's going to have better integration. It can interact with you. You can actually talk back and forth instead of just giving it voice commands. So I'm excited about it, but I'm also kind of like, not sad, but I'm kind of getting ready to say goodbye to Alexa right now. So I just wanted to spend a couple minutes here kind of capturing this, and along the way maybe show you an Easter egg or two of things that hopefully will still be in the new Alexa Plus, but it's rolling out right now to people who have the Show, which is the larger screen, the Show 21. This is the 15-inch right here. I love this thing. It's touchscreen. It's really cool. And then you've got the smaller units. You got the Show 10 and the Show 8. They're going to have versions available on the iPhone, on the Android, inside of the application on your phone. They're going to have a browser application as well. So that's all rolling out right now. But let's go ahead and start talking to her. Alexa, can you tell me about Alexa Plus?
Hi, I'm thrilled you asked. The new me is a better listener and easier to talk to and available anywhere, including the Alexa app and most browsers. I'll also be able to get much more done for you. To experience it for yourself, just say, notify me when Alexa Plus is available.
Which I've already done there, so that's very helpful. Alexa, can you tell me about the most recent headlines?
Hey Michael, here's your news. In CNN.
Listen closely. That's not just paint rolling on a wall.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, go home. So, yeah, ads that it fired up a podcast there for CNN. So this has existing integration using the Alexa skills, which tie into different service providers. That's supposed to be a lot better on the new version. You're going to have access to Uber Eats, Grubhub, I think TripAdvisor, a few other websites as well. So you're actually going to be able to do useful things besides doing things like setting a timer. Alexa, set a timer for spaghetti for 12 minutes.
Spaghetti timer, 12 minutes, starting now.
Okay, I'm not making spaghetti right now, but that's usually the amount of time that it takes to make the noodles. So I'm going to make sure this video stays under 12 minutes here. Now I've got a countdown timer on the screen to pay attention to. Alexa, you play way too many advertisements.
Here's Way Too Many Shots by Jacquees on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so she also kind of doesn't understand a lot of the things that I ask, and this just reminded me, like I was just telling her, she plays way too many ads, and I don't think that's going to get better, but we had one incident where we were watching a movie downstairs. Maybe this has happened to you too, and all of a sudden, we had music playing from another part of the house. So upstairs in our master bedroom, we had music playing, and it was like death metal. And it was up, I swear the volume was up to 8 or 9. And so weird things have happened with Alexa, and I'm hoping those don't happen as often. Sometimes you also get those moments where you're having a serious conversation, and then she interrupts and tries to give you like a sports score or something like that, which is not cool. So hopefully that will get better. Alexa, go home. Alexa, go home. Oh, see, I've upset her, and she's not even listening to me now. Maybe she can do a little parlor trick for us, though. Maybe I can get her to count. Alexa, count from 1 to 5.
Okay, here's number counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What I've recently discovered is that, like, she has no ability to speak slowly. I'm going to ask her, but I'll ask her to count backwards from 5 to 1 and let's see what happens. Alexa, count backwards from 5 down to 1 and do it slowly. See, this is what happens sometimes is she just kind of disses me. I'm sure this has happened to you too, where she just doesn't understand. Sometimes you'll get that little thing that says something went wrong, and it's just like, I give up. I don't know what to do. You asked me for some information, and I don't know what to do. And other times, it just like beeps back at you, or it's totally silent, and it's like she doesn't even want to talk to you because it's way beyond her skill level. So Alexa Plus, hopefully that won't happen. Alexa, go home. Okay, now we're back to the main screen there. So those are some basic things. You can do the where's my order, you can do all that stuff. One of the nice things that we use it for is how's the weather. I don't need to pull up, I can actually see it on the screen there, and she just gives a verbal response. What I will say though is that our dog, actually, that's a cue for her. Instead of like saying, do you want to go for a walk? All we have to do is ask her, I'm not going to say her name, but ask her, what's the weather? And then our dog just picks up on it because she knows that voice, and us saying weather means it's time for a walk as well. So I'm kind of curious if our dog is going to recognize the voice. I wonder if the new voice is going to be different, if it's going to sound more sophisticated than the existing voice. I'm super used to this voice, so time will tell on that. Alexa, what are the winning Powerball numbers from earlier this week?
On Monday, March 10th, the winning Powerball numbers were 17, 40, 47, 50, and 55. The Powerball number was 6 and the Power Play number was 2.
Alexa, when is the next full moon?
The next full moon will be on March 14th at 2:55 a.m.
Okay. So, I mean, she's been pretty good for basic things. There's some fun stuff you can do. One of the things that we've done over the past several years, just as a silly little game, is just to see if you have a psychic connection, is ask her to do a random number between 1 and 1,000. I'm going to go with, it's an old Chicago area code. Well, it's not old, it's still in use, but 312 is going to be my guess. Alexa, give me a number between 1 and 1,000.
Here's a number between 1 and 1,000. It's 450.
Not even close. I'm going to guess 732 this time. Alexa, give me a random number between 1 and 1,000. I almost said the number.
Here's a number between 1 and 1,000. It's 60.
I'm not going to win the lottery. Like, those numbers are way off there. Okay, so Alexa, set a reminder for 5:30 tonight to walk the dog.
Okay, I'll remind you at 5:30 p.m.
And of course, shopping. Alexa, where's my stuff? Alexa, where's my stuff?
For Michael, AC power adapter should arrive Tuesday by 8 p.m. Shampoo for women, whole bean coffee, and 3 more items should arrive next week.
Stop.
Here are some results.
Okay. Alexa, stop listening. And of course, you have people who don't even want these devices in their homes. I gave that up a long time ago because it has such excellent integration with smart home capabilities. Like, I have voice commands set up to turn on lights. Alexa, turn on living room. And I don't know if the lights went on. Alexa, set living room to 100%. Yeah, I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but yeah, we have automation set up around the home with motion detectors and stuff like that, and the smart home integration is supposedly going to get better as well with Alexa Plus. So anyway, the new features, hopefully it's good. I've got a couple more things here, little things that you probably know. If you don't, you can roll the dice. Alexa, roll the dice.
I rolled a 6-sided die and got 6.
Alexa, roll a d20.
Okay, here's dice bag. Rolled 1d20 and got 12.
So D&D players know what I'm talking about there. So 20 instead of 2 dice. Alexa, heads or tails? Heads.
Okay,
Of course I'm wrong. I'm like not getting
you
anything
got
right.
tails.
Okay. Alexa, list some popular movies that are in theaters right now.
Here are a few movies playing near you now. Mufasa, The Lion King, Mickey 17, Last Breath, Captain America.
Alexa,
Brave
stop.
New-
Okay. So just a couple more things here. I do like the stupid little Easter egg that they've got. I'm going to show that to you in a second. But first, I'm going to see if we can get her to do something really cringy, which is to beatbox. And we're going to see if in the new version, maybe she can sing even better. But Alexa, can you beatbox? Okay. So the last thing here, just a quick Easter egg and then I'm out. I just wanted to do a quick video to capture old Alexa. Wanted to have this on film before she disappears because they could roll it out tonight for all I know. They're actively rolling this out. There used to be a video game back on the NES, I think it was, by a company called Konami. And if you, on the controller, pressed a certain sequence of buttons, it would do this Easter egg unlock. So I'm going to try to get it wrong and then try to get it right. Alexa, up, up, down, down, start.
You're so close. But sorry, no power-ups for you.
Let's try again. Alexa, up, up, down, down, left, right, BA, start.
Congrats! You scored a full set of power-ups. Use them wisely.
All right. Thanks for watching. If you want to see Alexa Plus when it comes out, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.